And well, city officials right here in Columbus working to improve access to the COVID-19 vaccine. NBC4's Dan Perlman joining us now live. And Dan, how are health officials making this a little bit easier for a number of people to get these shots?
Well, Darlene, they are holding mobile vaccination clinics. So rather than individuals living in congregate settings going to providers, Columbus public health officials are going to them. And that is something we saw happen today. Keith Brooks knows he would have had a tough time getting vaccinated.
It would have been a lot difficult.
But today he got his second shot, as did Susan.
It was really easy.
I had my credentials, my ID, my card, came down, got the shot. Now I get to go back up to my apartment.
They were among the more than 30 to get their shots here at the Community Housing Network's Parsons Place today, as those living and working in congregate settings are included in Phase 1A of the state's vaccine rollout. Dr. Mashika Roberts telling us why mobile vaccination clinics like this are needed.
Not everyone has the ability to come to a drive-through clinic or even come to an office setting to get the vaccine, but they need the vaccine probably more than others, and so it's important that we meet people where they are and find them and get them vaccinated.
Dr. Roberts also says this is part of the city's effort to vaccinate minorities disproportionately affected by the virus. Columbus Mayor Andrew Ginther.
There has been a far greater negative impact on black and brown neighbors in our community and communities around the country, and so we have to be very purposeful and intentional to make sure that we're making sure these vaccines are available.
Available as they were today for both Susan and Keith, both feeling well.
So far, so good.
After their second shots.
I took the shot because simple fact is I didn't want nobody else to catch it, and the second reason to let everybody else know that it's safe to take, and it's the best thing for everybody to do.
And so far, Dr. Roberts tells us that the health department has held about 30 mobile vaccination clinics, with more in the future. Local for you in Columbus, Dan Perlman, NBC4.